Hey, where'd y'all go? We ain't done yet. Get back here. Get back here. We ain't done yet. Clay back. See, we're green here in the shop. We recycle our clay. Oh yeah. It's all about saving the environment. And a couple bucks. You know, the crazy thing is clay's probably about the cheapest about the cheapest thing you can buy when it comes to molding one of these things. Alright. You guys grab the other end and I'll grab this end. Don't get that to Chuck yet. See, my mold removing device also doubles as a clay removing tool. Oh, here I had a little bit of seepage. I'll give you guys a close up of this. Ain't no big deal, but that just tells you that resin will find the smallest little crack to run through. But if your mold is waxed, if your plug's waxed up good enough, it just pops right off. If I wouldn't have seen it, I never would have known it. Because I had some seepage. A little bit of seepage. Okay, now we're done with that piece of wood. I got it pretty well butched up. I might cut it up and save part of this. You just never know. Bam! Now as we got is a bunch of ugly clay all the way around here. See that? All we gotta do is clean that clay up and we get a nice sharp edge. You see that edge? Bam, that looks good too. See that edge? No bubbles, no voids. That's what we're looking for. That is what we're looking for. Get my big old ball of clay. The longer you got that clay around, the uglier it gets. Get all them colors mingling. Get all them pretty colors makes one ugly color jack. Yeah, I'm using the chisel on this, but I'm being real careful. We're not digging into that silico primer. video in Canada, man. I'm sorry. I've been meaning to get back with you. Old Navigator Bill had a couple questions. Wants to do some molding. And I'll post up my email address on this video. And anything you need help with, man, give me a holler. I'll even put my phone number on there if you got some questions. Just been kind of busy lately. Kind of busy and get sidetracked. Tomorrow, people, I'm going to go pick up t-shirts. They're ready. I got some money. I am going to go pick up t-shirts tomorrow. I know you guys are getting antsy and I apologize for the delays. But it's all good. So I'll go pick them up tomorrow and get a shipment out. Kind of forgot about it the past couple of days, to tell you the truth. My mind's been somewhere else. You know what I mean? Man, that's a heck of a ball. That's only, I still got more to go. Okay, come on back here. Let's check this out. Big old feet. But I'm gonna kick back tonight and I'm gonna watch some football. Oh, there's another little secret place. And bam, just popped right off. That is why we waxing. But I'm going to kick back tonight, watch some football, get all my clay cleaned up, and get ready for the other side. Bam, there on my edge. It came out just awesome. Awesome, awesome. And this episode of Bob TV is coming to an end. It's sad but true. So, tune in next time for another action-packed adventure of Bob TV. Coming to you live from the shop. The only place where you can get 10 minutes of thunderchief building action. Brought to you in Philadelphia.